very good morning to all of you. Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. I welcome all the students who are present here as well as those who are watching us online. Student, there is a notification in Intelligence Bureau. The post name is ACIO. What does this ACIO means? It is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. Okay. And the last date for applying for this particular post is 15 December 2023. So you have only 5 days left. Since we are busy in ISRO Assistant UDC JPS Steno exam, so we have come late with this notification. Okay. Anyhow, in this today's session, we will cover everything that you want. First of all, you should know there are 995 vacancies. Okay, 995 vacancies is a huge number. I will also show what is the bifurcation. Okay, how much vacancies is for what reservation, that we will see. Then we will see the post description. What does this post does? Okay, what is the salary? What qualification is required to apply for this particular post? Okay, and the most important is exam pattern and what is the selection process. Okay, student, this is a very good opportunity. I am telling you, this is officer class job. Okay, and the exam is similar to SSC, you can say. Okay, so let's begin the session. So the first is post description. Okay, the post name is ACIO 2 executive. Okay, ACIO 2 means it is Assistant Central Intelligence Officer. Okay, it grade 2. Okay, and this is executive post, and the classification which comes under it is Group C, non-gazetted, non-ministerial job. Okay, although it is intelligence officer job, but it's Group C, student. But the good thing is that pay scale, if you see the pay scale, it is level 7. So level 7 means you will get at least 70,000 in hand. That is roughly estimate. If you are living in X city, Y city, that depends. Okay, since HRA is different for different city, but mostly the basic pay, if you see, it is 44,900 plus 20,000 DA. So you can straight away calculate it is 64,000 plus some other allowances. So you can say it is 70,000 in hand job. Okay, it is rupees 70,000 in hand. So you have other allowances like NPS contribution is there. Okay, so this is a very good job for those people who are looking for the Sarkari Naukri. Okay, in addition to above, there are certain facilities like annual increment will be there. Okay, and leave will be there. Medical facility, that central government health scheme, that is CGHS facility, will be there for the self and the dependent members. LTC facility are there. Central education allowance, government accommodation. So these are actually typical for all the central government employee. Whatever the central government employee has a facility, that for this particular post holds as well. Okay, so the post is very good. Rupees 70,000 with these facility is a very good opportunity, student. Okay, let's see the number of vacancy. I will not waste your time. Quickly look at the vacancies. For unreserved, it is 377. So out of total 995, you can say almost 1/3 is for unreserved. Okay, for OBC it is 222. Again, for OBC category it's a good number. For economical weaker section it's 129. For SC ST it is almost equal, 133, 134. Okay, so anyhow, this vacancy doesn't matter. You need only one seat to confirm. Okay, you need to fight for the one seats, right? But you should also know the competition level that I am going to cover in the upcoming slide. Okay, but the vacancy is overall good. Okay, let's see the qualification quickly. For this particular post, essential qualification is graduation And the desirable, if you know, well and good. If doesn't know, no problem, knowledge of computers. Okay, but some student will definitely ask me in future whether since I'm in final year, can I apply? No, the answer is no. No, you cannot apply, because they have clearly mentioned that a candidate must be graduate. So if you are in final year, you are not graduate. Okay, so the closing date and the crucial date for this particular post is 15 December. So as on 15 December, if you are graduate, then you can apply. Otherwise, you are not eligible for this particular vacancy. Okay, so if you are graduate, I definitely recommend you to apply for this post. Okay, well and good. Let's see the age limit. I know all of you are between 18 to 27, and those people who belongs to this particular reservation class, so they have 5-year relaxation. Okay, for OBC candidate it is 3 years. So maximum age for OBC will be 30 years. For SC ST it is how many? 32 years. Okay, so 32 years for SC ST, and for OBC it is 30 years maximum. And for departmental candidate who are working in other government agencies, they can apply up to age of 40 years. Okay, and 3 years of regular service is required. That is one additional thing that they need to look. Okay, again the crucial date. Somebody might not have completed its 18, so the crucial date is again same 15/12. So whatever the age limit, education, qualification, certificate, testimonial, everything should be seen with respect to crucial date. So crucial date is what? Crucial date for this particular exam is 15 December. Okay, 15 December 2023. Okay, so with respect to 15 December, you should know your age. On what is your age as on 15 December 2023. Okay, so if it's crossing 27, then you're not eligible. Okay, so you're 27, then you will be eligible. Okay, but the thing is that during form filling it will automatically highlight if you are crossing those boundaries. Okay, let's see the next, exam city. But before exam city, one more important parameter is service liability. So you are liable to post anywhere. Okay, anywhere in India. This all India services. Okay, a very good vacancy. I will definitely post one video on job profile of this post. I will search, I will research, and I will update you about the job profile of this intelligence officer. Okay, and the city of exam. So you have 5 options you need to choose. Okay, there is a lot of examination city. Every state have one examination city. More than not one, it has more than 5 city, I guess. So you can refer to the advertisement. So whatever the nearest city, you can apply for that as per your choice. Coming to the scheme of examination, most of the student want this scheme of examination. Okay, the scheme is very similar to SSC, very similar to SSC. There will be 3 exam. Okay, first one is tier 1 exam, second one is tier 2, third one is tier 3. Okay, I will tell you what is the criteria of selection in the next slide. So first is written examination. Tier 1 exam and tier 2 exam will be written. So let's focus on first tier 1. In tier 1 there will be 100 MCQs. Okay, 100 questions will be there. Each question carry 1 mark, therefore the total marks will be 100. And there will be 5 sections. So these are the 5 sections. Each section contain how many questions? It is very simple. Each section contain 20 questions. Okay, and there is negative marking as usual, 1/4. Every exam has this type of criteria. So 100 questions, 1 mark each question, 1 hour, 5 section, 20 question each. Okay, this is very similar to every exam what we have seen everywhere. Okay, so current affairs, general studies, numerical aptitude, reasoning, English. Okay, so in the upcoming session I will also bring all the previous year questions. Okay, coming to the next, in tier 2 there will be descriptive paper which consists of an essay of 30 marks and English comprehension and précis writing of 20 marks. So overall 50 marks, again it is 1 hour. And tier 3, or it will be an interview of 100 marks. Okay, they can be gone for psychometric and aptitude test as well, which is a part of interview. Okay, so this will be an interview basically. So let's move how the selection process goes for this particular post. First one is a tier 1. So what is the cutoff? So they have mentioned the cutoff for each of the reservation. Since we know it is 100 marks exam, so for unreserved the candidate should have minimum 35 marks. For OBC it is 34, for SC/ST it is 33, for economical weaker section it is 35. Okay, understood? So minimum you should have 35 marks in order to qualify the tier 1. After that, what? There will be a tier 2 shortlisting. So you have, say you have given the exam and you have obtained more than 35 marks and you are belonging to unreserved category. So on what basis they will shortlist? Okay, so on the basis of performance and normalization. So there will be normalization definitely, because there will be different shift, there will be different difficulty level. So normalization happen for the tier 1 exam, and they will call 10 times. Okay, so we have seen almost say 300 for unreserved, so they will call 10 times, so 3000 people they will call for tier 2. Okay, and this will be a merit list again. Okay, this will be a merit list based. Okay, suppose many people have crossed cutoff of 35, so they will definitely make a merit list. So top 3000 or top candidates will be shortlisted for tier 2. Okay, once tier 2 will be shortlisted, okay, so they will go for tier 2 exam, and for tier 3 shortlisting they will see the combined performance of tier 1 and tier 2. Okay, and they will call for interview only 5 times. Okay, so whatever the number of vacancies, so if we are saying it's 300, so they will call 5 times. How many? 1500. So they are straight away dividing by 2. Okay, so half of the people they will call for the next interview round. Okay, and again they have put minimum restriction. In tier 2 you should have at least 17 out of 50, means 33 marks you should obtain in tier 2. Okay, there's so much restriction. I think that I should bring a selection process. Okay, so I will bring one more video on detailed selection process. Detailed selection process I will tell you in that video. For time being, just go through that whatever I'm telling you. So first your focus should be on tier 1 as of now. Okay, so you should crack tier 1. After that we will see what is there. Okay, and finally there will be an interview, and exam fees. See, for all the candidates fee to be paid is rupees 450, and the male candidate of unreserved, economical weaker section and OBC, they have to add 100 rupees also. This is a recruitment processing charge they are saying. In addition to that, they are taking one more fee, examination fees of 100, so it is 550. Okay, and banking charge, anyhow if you are going for online exam fees, then there will be banking charges which will be borne by the candidate. Okay, and student, this link for applying I will put in description box. Okay, I will put in description box. because in website it is very difficult to get this link. I faced a lot thing, but finally I got this link. I will share in the description box. Straight away you go there, register there and apply there. Okay, and anything you are not able to get, you can write in our comment box. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.